to call you now the Secretary of Thank you so much. My colleague, Honourable Atong Kuol and our Nasib, the brother, my colleague, Victor Dio, the former minister, my colleague, Ambassador Joseph, my colleague in the National Assembly, the chair of the Specialized Committee, my colleagues who are down there, and my colleague, the Undersecretary of the Ministry, staff with our ministry, Kulu, be Portugalat, Bitakuna, Bogulakun, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
أنا أصلاً ما صديق بتاع سخانة عشان كده كلام بتاعي بيكون قصير شديد. And he has prevented me to dance like my brother عشان سخانة كان شديد. Because I like dance. And we know that lady who composed this song, we love this song and we loved her so much in Greater Upper Nile. First, Anehna Gina, as accompanying my sister, the new incomer lady in the cabinet, my sister, Madam Atong Kuol Manyang Gina, as accompanying delegation to her. I did not come as a minister. I came here as a sister. Also to say that to farewell our brother, Ambassador Moon. I came to know two of them in a different occasion. Moon, I knew him in an ambassadorial position, to America. He has served South Sudan very greatly and unique, successful in US when he was ambassador there. This is where I met him. I worked with him for long, and when he came to Egypt also, I knew him closely because I have a family there in Egypt. I want to say that Ambassador Moon, when you came in our board, welcome. And our board is very dangerous board and very difficult area. Being a politician is not easy. It is something that every day, finance tani lamana bululo minu alele da degree zol bukun gaya fi television lahadi magal budere give. Lakini if you understood the positions, is a sacrifice position. Being a politician, I cannot say that is not a good position, but it's a sacrifice. When you contribute in a nation building, you are proud at the same time, it's a sacrifice. So I work it a bit kumbara, I work it a bit kunjua. And you just to account as a CV, what you have done and what the legacy that you left back. Just this is the only things that we got in a politician, as a politician. Fanadera Gulaginu, the hard that you receive the information, I know that as a diplomat, you understood. And I want to thank His Excellency the President, always being keen. For this is what really we want to appreciate our President, being keen, representing the women, and the portion that has been given to us in our Constitution. It's not enough, but we will do it as a woman. Thank you for the time that we spent in the ministry. And you know that just only not being a member of parliament, not being a minister of culture, as I'm also, my background, I'm a birth doctor, mean that in this ministry, I have a colleague, شغالين هنا وأنا بعرف ليش شنو قاعدين بعملوا في وزارة and what is the role of the ministry. Lakini أنا ما أقدر أتكلم عنه because it's not my area, but I want to tell you that what you have done all this time, in the short time that we spend in the ministry, and it is appreciation for us to appreciate you today as you are going. There is a say that what ahead of you is better than where you came from. فنحن متأكدين هتلقى محل أفضل من محل اللي أنت ماشي فيه, and you will perform also as you accept it when you have been appointed as a minister. For wish you luck in the new journey that Itamashi Tamshifiu. For my sister Tom, when I knew her closely, when she had become a deputy governor representing our party as a party leader. فنحن لما نكون عندنا دائما agreement ندانا إنه في head وفي زول الماشي وراه according to the agreement. فلما نكون عندنا زول واحد representing a party في state في party تاني نحن بنكون متأكدين and then we watch outside there. إنت قاعد تعمل في شنو. But this is where I came across to know Atong very closely, what she has did to SPLM in Jungule. And if there is a changes in Jungule today, we don't say that we grab it, but it is the right of SPLM to take over Jungule because we want to do something. We know Jungule, the Buaba Vita Great Apanai. For we need to be careful. It above the Tarlaman, in the above the Hasanas and God. If you can pull on a machine, Lezena, when I say Magawi, then the winner home hina. For this is a Buaba with a great Apanai. Fanadera Bulinu, Atong, you have done your part when you were in Jungule. And it is time that I know that you have been ambushed because you did not look to ministerial position. But ambushing you will not say that nothing that I did not know in that sector. And about it, you will give what you have given to the people of Jungule, to people of South Sudan through our party. In Jungule, you will give it to the at the national level, to the people of South Sudan who need your service to be rendered. Nas katirit kalaman gitada. And then Nazana darin najru min gita betana bita siyasa darin namshu zatu trade kan ligina lena tariga namshi nabiya tamatim binamshu. Lano, this is a time that we need to make sure South Sudan is depending in their own. Faida Harshuf Anabarfa, you like to visit the field, it will tell the Nuswan Katir. Nuswan Augadi Bodu Bella Tegidam Lakin Mafizol Bishuf. This is only the eyes that see that can fit in with our Rujal Gadi Shuf Nuswan Gadi Bamlu Fijin Sudan, that they shunu their self a kir Barao Gadi Shuf Nuswan. فنحن نقول يدينا كلنا نقول ربنا يخليه وكل راجل يعرف انه مرض بدون مرض في جنوب السودان ورجال جو those who fought في شكل بتاعنا في struggle بتاعنا من زمن كم لحد يوم الليله كان ما نسوان اللي كان بيرفعوا اكيد كان ما قاعدين ليوم الليله. But you come and deny. لما نشوفوا مرة في position ما بيقدر يعملوا لما ذاته عودوا نسوان تانيين يقولوا أحزول ما عنده قدرة لكن I want to tell you that we women we can do. كان دونا شالا كان حديد القاعدين بيقولوا قال راجل يا بيعرف بدوق الحديد and إحنا بنعرف where to دوق الحديد ده لحد ما يبقى لين. I want to assure you that the cabinet as a ladies we will stand with you. الحاجة اللي أنت ما بتعرفه هنوري لك. And the good thing is that you have a lot of women here who are a professional, they will support you and you will go ahead. Whether 1 day, 2 days, you make sure that you have done something that will remain back as a legacy. Al-Karasi ma betana. Lakin zol gal gibelinu, a vision will remain back. Fanehna mutaakidin, we will do something in this ministry and we will start from where our brother ambassador end, and we will take it carry on with your staff in the ministry. Ana gibela mashufta staff bita kula DGs the nas kubar kulu manawi you will gain a wisdom. Ihtimali ta waktar ga energy zai jeri linta gata jirbola but you will get wisdom. Learn wisdom is a starting point of where to start your work. Fana dara shkurkun udara shkur Madam Atong. Inu mbara galay fi short notice inu you need to come with me ashan tagadimni le wazara. Ada dara dia special thanks le group bitaw kan she lead in Jungule wazara bitaw wazir wahid kalam gibel. They have a very strong leaders in Jungule fi hukuma da Jungule dara gula kuna Jungule msigu wahda bitaw kunna ashan nas Janub Sudan yamshufiu. فأنا كان عندي علاقة شوية كده مع هيد ده وشمس ده أنا كنت بتكلم كتير بالذات بوضع بتاعنا راهن إحنا قاعدين فيه. But I will stop here and I will say that thank you for the ministry to give me this opportunity And may God bless you, my sister, and may God lead you in wisdom, and may God protect you always to serve the people of South Sudan. Thank you so much.